It's a devastating time for independent restaurants. It's pretty straightforward. They're the lifeblood of many of our cities and our communities, and they've been great partners to us. So we're really trying to help them through this crisis period. Many small independent businesses, not just restaurants, they don't have a month of cash on hand. So if they have to close for a month, it's unlikely they're going to be coming back. So in some markets, we're seeing as high as 30% restaurant closures. It really is a devastating time for many of them. We're also seeing record numbers of new restaurants reach out to us to try to implement delivery because in many cases, while their dining rooms are shut down, their kitchens are still open for delivery, and that's their one revenue lifeline that they're trying to leverage to stay in business or at least keep their hourly employees paid so they don't go find other jobs. So we're really doing everything we can to work with the restaurants to bridge them through this cash crunch. We're also working with government officials to try to promote delivery only status in many markets where they're closed. And then we're just trying to drive as much business as we can to these poor mom and pops.
Okay, so explain how orders and deliveries have changed. What are the metrics that you're looking at just in the course of the past 2 weeks? How have they changed?
Honestly, it's been all over the place. So immediately when the crisis hit, all orders were down dramatically as people really withdrew. And then as you see markets learn how to cope with a stay-at-home order, you're seeing some markets orders are recovering, some markets orders are accelerating, and some are still down at crisis levels. So we're really working with municipality by municipality and very local teams to help understand the state of delivery and restaurants at the very local level to help the restaurants and then provide for obviously our delivery drivers as well as our diners.
Have you had to lay off or furlough workers in the wake of this? And if so, how many?
We have not. So we have not had to furlough workers on a corporate level. And then if you think about the delivery drivers, we're actually seeing record numbers of submissions and applications to be a delivery driver. As you just mentioned, the record number of unemployment surges. I think delivery driver, rideshare driver, these are both occupations you can move into as your circumstances change. So we have an abundance, an overabundance of drivers right now, and we're working with them to make sure that health and safety are their number one priority.